the time that given to me to tell you a story. I would like to tell you a story. The title of my story is Friends.
Once upon a time, Patrice, the mouse, and the cat. The cat is going to seek it home. The cat.
Bunny Rabbit lived in the forest. He had many friends. He was proud of his friends.
The cat sleeping out inside to it.
One day, Bunny Rabbit heard the loud barking of the wild dog. Woof, woof, woof. He very scared. He decided to ask for help.
Secara, to come the mouse, take it food the cat.
He quickly went to the friend's deer. He said, "Dear friend, some wild dogs are teasing me. Can you chase them away with your sharp antlers?"
The cat took it up and poked the mouse.
Deer said, "That is right. I can, but now I am busy. Why don't you ask my deer for help?"
The cat asked the mouse, "Will you take it my food?" To ask the cat for the mouse.
Bunny Rabbit went to the bear. He said, "My friend, you are very strong. Please help me. Can you please chase them away?"
The mouse, "Help me! I am sorry because I am hungry," answered the mouse for the cat.
He requested the bear. Bear replied, "I am sorry. I am hungry and tired. I need to find some food."
For the cat. Alright. Next day, the mouse begged down to home the cat.
Poor Bunny Rabbit went to the monkey, elephant, goat, and all his friends.
The cat looked the mouse and poked the mouse, and finally the mouse killed the cat.
He felt sad that nobody ready to help him.
That's all my story. Thank you for your kind attention. Moral value is don't take it food somebody.
He understood. He has to think of a way out. He under a bush. He lay still. The wild dogs went away. The moral value of my story is, do not be too hopeful to friends. Thanks. That's all my story. Thanks you for your kind attention.